Computers University Shabad has given me a very powerful learning experience. This course helped me improve my English writing, English speaking, speech delivery, stage courage, personality development, and overall confidence. I am thankful for this spoken English class. It changed my communication skills and thinking style. Now I can speak English freely in class and in real life. So thank you, Bhimaraj sir. Your teaching is very well. Okay.
Thank you, Ms. Kosha, for giving the wonderful speech. Now I would like to call Adnan.
Claps to Adnan.
Walk slowly, but never backward. Good afternoon, everyone present here. I am Adnan. I am going to share my learning experience in this institute. I just want to take a moment to express my gratitude. It has been an incredible experience with my teachers. I have learned so much from my teachers. I am truly grateful for the support and friendship. Here I got very truthful and loving staff. I got best facilities in high-tech computers in Fosili Shahabad. I feel that I am in the Institute of Excellence. In this institute, we not only learn by reading and listening, but also some activities like debate, speech, language labs, etc. The spoken English class at Higher Computers in Fosili Shahabad has given me a powerful learning experience. In this course helped me to improve my English speaking, English writing, speech delivery, stage courage, personality development, and overall confidence. Teaching method is simple, practical, and easy to understand. English is taught using real life examples which makes classes enjoyable. Our trainer Bhimaraj sir teaches in a simple way by which everyone can understand. Thank you sir for your teachings. Thank you everyone.
Thank you Adnan for giving the wonderful speech. Now I would like to call back. Next, now I would like to call Pavitra. Parvati. Okay. Please clap for Parvati.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all of you. I started learning spoken English at High-Tech Computer University, Shahabad. I would like to share my spoken English learning experience. My name is Parvati. I started learning spoken English to improve my communication skills. In the beginning, I was very shy and afraid of making mistakes. I practiced by watching English video and speaking with friends. Sometimes it is very difficult, but I did not give up. But I did not give up. But I did not give up. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my learning experience.
Thank you Parvati for giving wonderful speech.
Now I would like to call Miss Shaista. Please give applause to Shaista.
Very good.
Good afternoon, everyone. Now I would like to share my learning experience. The spoken English class at High-Tech Computers University, Shabad has given me a very powerful learning experience. This course helped me improve my English speaking, English writing, speech delivery, stage coverage, personality development, and overall confidence. The teaching method is very simple, practical, and easy to understanding. English is taught using simple situations, real life examples, clear sentence structures, and useful daily expressions which makes learning enjoyable and effective. The trainer explains every topic patiently and motivates students to speak without fear. This class has truly gained confidence and communicate fluently in English. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to share my learning experience.
Thank you, Shaista, for giving wonderful best
Don't
speech.
bring any page without C. No, without C.
Now I would like to call Miss Adiba. Please come on the stage.
My name is Sadhika. Now I would like to share my learning experience. High-Tech Computer University Shahabad. The spoken English class at High-Tech Computer University Shahabad has given me a very powerful learning experience. This course helped me improve my English speaking, English writing, speech delivery, stage coverage, personality development, and overall confidence. The teaching method is very simple, practical, and easy to understand English. Is a taught using simple situation real life explain, clear sentence structures and useful daily experiences which makes learning enjoyable and effective. The trainer explain every topic patiently and motivation. Student to speak without fear. This class has helped me gain confidence and communicate. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to share my learning experience.
Thank you, Adiba, for giving best speech. Now I would like to call May. Please big applause to May.
Without C.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Mehak. Now I would like to share my learning experience. In the beginning I was very shy and effort to speak English. Before the spoken English class I can't speak English. After I took admission here, sir teaches how to speak English fluently and grammatically. We are studying English. We are learning spoken English very well. I started learning spoken English to improve my communication skills. Sir doesn't teach us like a sir. Sir teaches like a friend. Sir make easy example to understand the topic. Sir teaches how to give self introduction and stage courage. My advice is that every day practice every day and believe in yourself. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to share my learning experience.
Thank you, Mike, for giving best speech. Now I would like to call Mubina. Please big applause to Mubina.
Okay. Please short and sweet. Yes, nice.
Good afternoon everyone. Now I would like to share my learning experience. My learning experience in the spoken English course at the High-Tech Computer University Shahabad was very helpful and enjoyable. The institute provided a friendly and comfortable environment from the learning English. The trainer explains grammar, vocabulary and pronunciation in a simple way. Daily speaking practice helped me improve my confidence, group discussion and role play made for classes to interact. The learners how to communicate clear in the English. The trainer encouraged everyone to speak without fear. Regular activity improve my fluency listening skills. Feedback from the trainer helped me correct my mistake. The course helped me in my interview and daily conversation. The staff was supportive and motivating throughout the course. Overall, my spoken English learning experience at the High-Tech Computer University was a valuable. Confidence is a great place to learn spoken English. I was thankful for the trainer and management. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to share my learning experience.
Thank you, Mubina, for giving the wonderful speech. Now I would like to call Miss Adiba, please.
Where is Adiba? Here. Look at Adiba. Adiba last week. Very good. Claps to Adiba.
Good evening to one and all present here. My learning experience in the spoken English class has been very positive. I have developed fluency, communication skills, and self-confidence through regular practices and interactive sessions. I am thankful for this spoken English class. It changed my communication skills and thinking style. Now I can speak English freely, confidently, and through in real life. This institute has provided me a lot of facilities, courage, etc. I feel very happy to come to these classes because classes are not boring. We learn many things like debate, giving speech, stage courage, etc. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for giving wonderful speech.
Mitosi.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next. Sanya next.
Sanya. Now I would like to call Miss Sanya. Please take your applause.